Ah. Oh, chicken adobo. Ala Amar. Ala Arma.
Try, try.
Dahil dituan tag-adobo dahil. So, kabalan siya magluto og adobo, no? Kada o tanawa. Alam mo kayo magana, di ko mauli oy sa'yo. Thank you, love. Spicy, mild, and very
Nice.
What did you do? It's so spicy.
Yeah. You've got Tabasco in it.
Tabasco. You use all the ingredients. Napait man ko mga ingredients ba? Kanang mga condiments good. Tabasco. What about the Worcestershire choice? Worcestershire sauce. What's about that? What was that?
Worcester sauce.
Worcester sauce.
Can you taste the difference?
Pero saan ito munggos na gikan sa office?
Who bought that in?
Someone cooked it in the office.
Oh.
And then, as lunch, and then they don't want to throw it away. Then I said, okay, I'm gonna bring that home. So good.
Now the chicken. Can you taste the
Try
chicken?
to beer pack. The chicken is so tender. How many hours did you cook this?
You can see, it's not like the shop one, all running.
Special beer. What a lovely day. Diba mapapa second round tayo sa rice?
The chicken.
Yeah, second round sa rice. Woo!
No, you don't like the bones.
I'm gonna suck the bones.
Is that hot? Not hot at all. It's used for hot. Yeah, but we was eating the curry in Davao. That was hotter than this.
Yeah, but the hot is not the same as hot as maybe because of the Tabasco. The put.
I'm not used to that. I'm not used to that.